VAGRAT for tea. Interesting. Designed and quality of Sweden. Made in China.
Again.
IKEA systems. Oh, very interesting. Let's unpack it. What color do you prefer?
I prefer yellow.
Yellow. What color do you prefer?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, you like pink.
What?
Okay.
It's pink Among Us.
Okay, take it. Yellow. Pink will be mine.
Yellow Among Us.
How
And
we
crown.
can open it? Huh, yeah. This way.
Oh. Oh. Really? Really peely.
How many tea do you need? Here.
A little, a
A
little.
little. Like this.
Among Us player.
Two pack like this.
Cafe.
Like this. Yeah, we need some hot water.
Yeah, hot water.
I take hot water. Add some hot water here
Hot water.
and hot water here. And one here, one here.
It's that Among Us.
Is it working?
Yeah. Yeah, it's working. I see it works. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's very beautiful. You see the tea and me. You see the tea and me.
After 3 minutes, our tea will be ready.
I'm done. 3 minutes and the tea is ready. These things are really good. They're so cute.